Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the third Sudoku in this edition of today's newspaper. And yes, it's Friday, still Friday, October the 23rd, 2020. The third Sudoku is a binary puzzle, and this will be a number 1, 7, and 9, 4. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a column or in a row there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. We have 4 O's in this row, so the rest are 1s. Now we have 4 1s in this column, so the rest are O's. And between 2 O's comes an 1, between 2 1s comes an O. Then between 2 O's comes an 1, between 2 1s comes an O. Double O here and 1, then 1. And then between 2 1s comes an O. Double O here and 1, then 1. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Now we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Between 2 1s comes an O. We have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Then between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. We have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Then. Do we need to compare? That's the question. How about 101. Oh, well, yes, we need to compare this column and that column. O, empty box, 1, 1, O, 1, 1, O, 1, 1. So we need to switch those two numbers. With O here, this should be a 1. With 1 here, this should be an O. Double O here, 1, there 1. Double 1 here, and O, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 O. So the rest are 1s. Double 1 here, and O, there no. Between 2 1s comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 O. So the rest are 1s. Need to compare. Double 1. Oh, we need to compare the columns, I think. Well. How about the second column and this column? 1, 1, 1, empty box, 1, 1. So we need to switch these two digits. With 1 here, this should be an O. With O there, this should be a 1. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, and O then O. Finish in 4 minutes. All right, great binary. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a few seconds with the last Sudoku. This will be a tectonic with 3 stars. So see you later. Bye bye for now.